Flight tutorial. Preparation before takeoff. Power on the transmitter by holding on the two buttons at the same time. If transmitter warning, please place all the switches in their up position. Pull down the stick on the nose. Open the hatch cover. Plug in the power and wait for the self-checkdown. Pay attention to check if the servo is moving up and down normally. Flip the stick to GPS position. Search for satellites and wait for the green light to stay on. Rotate one turn. The compass is normally if the light is solid green. Close the hatch cover. Lock the down bolt. Hold on the joystick down and out until the green light flash. Release the joystick. Flip the run switch. Waiting for motor acceleration to complete. Push the left joystick up and the helicopter takeoff and the helicopter hovering. Push the right joystick and the helicopter moves forward. Pull the right joystick and the helicopter moves back. Push the right joystick to the left and the helicopter moves to the left. Push the right joystick to the right, helicopter moves to the right. Push the left joystick to the right, helicopter moves to the right spin. Push the left joystick to the left, and the helicopter moves to the left spin. Pull the left joystick, and the helicopter moves decline. After the helicopter lands smoothly, release the joystick and push on the stop switch. The motor stops rotating, and the landing is completed. Flip the switch to O-fly. The helicopter will automatically head inward for a circular route. If a direction joystick is used during flight, the helicopter will spin and move in a circular pattern. After releasing the joystick, the helicopter will maintain the heading when it stops and continues circular motion. Flip the switch to 8 fly. The helicopter will automatically head forward as 8. If a direction joystick is used during flight, the helicopter will spin and move in an 8 pattern. After releasing the joystick, the helicopter will maintain the heading when it stops and continues moving in an 8 pattern. When the signal of GPS is bad, the helicopter will drift slowly and randomly. Can push the joystick in the opposite direction to stabilize the helicopter. If helicopter suddenly rises uncontrollably, that is low power return. Flip the switch to home, then to GPS. The helicopter will stop returning. The helicopter shaking during takeoff acceleration. Because the installation of the helicopter's main blade is too loose. Tighten the main blade screws so that the main blade does not sag when the aircraft is vertical. The helicopter won't shake anymore.